Greetings, students. Welcome to the fifth in a series of brief videos on preparing the lab report. In this video, we've moved on from the materials and methods section to focus on the results. Now, the results section of your lab report is a little unusual in that you're not going to be writing any additional content. You're simply, by and large, going to be copying and pasting and maybe reformatting material you've already generated over the course of doing the lab. In most labs, you're going to be including data tables. This is for labs 1, 2, and 5. In lab 3, you'll have observations. And you're going to have graphs in labs 1 and 4. Please include a numbered figure caption below each graph using APA format. You're also going to have photographs. All hands-on labs, which is lab 2, lab 3, and lab 5, absolutely require photographs. Please include them in the order they're taken in the lab with captions. A reminder that the photographs need to have in them a strip of paper with your name and the date clearly visible. Including these photographs and including your name and date in them is an absolute requirement for the instructor to evaluate your lab report, because that serves as evidence that the labs were in fact completed.